Today we're making this beauty with carrots and bean sprouts. It's just the perfect salad or side dish. Today's recipe is going to be on repeat for sure. It's super simple. It comes together really, really quickly. It's delicious. It's really good for you. And it just uses basically 2 ingredients. It's a salad. It's a side dish. It's whatever you want it to be, but the most important thing is delicious. So the 2 main ingredients, we have a carrot and we have bean sprouts. All we need to do is prep them, slightly cook them, and dress them, and we're good to go. So bean sprouts, I'm going to rinse these thoroughly under cold water, and the carrots I'm going to peel and kind of chop up using a mandolin into little baby matchsticks. Let's go. So I have all the veggies prepped. The minute the water starts boiling, I'm gonna blanch them for maybe 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna put them under freezing water. Shock them. And while all of this is cooking, we're gonna prepare the sauce. And of course, it's like the star of the show. Today I'm gonna be using some toasted sesame oil, a little bit of peanut butter. You can totally use like a seed butter or almond butter, cashew butter, whatever you have on hand. A little bit of sriracha for that like kick. Some rice vinegar, some soy sauce, and a little bit of fresh garlic because why not? And I like to thin out my sauces with a little bit of water so I don't go overboard with the oils and the fats. Let's go. Maybe I should make like a playlist with simple recipes that use just basically 3 to 5 ingredients. Let me tell you, if I'm expecting guests for like a lunch brunch situation or for like a dinner party, I make this, but like in triple quantity because everybody loves this stuff. It goes perfectly well with chicken, meat, fish, or if you're going for like a nice hearty like vegetarian meal, this works wonders. Okay, let me give it a try. First of all, the dressing is divine. And it's exactly the sauce that brings all of this together. You have like the kick from like the garlic and the sriracha, and you can really taste like the sesame because I have the seeds on top. And the oil, it is divine. You have to try this. If you do, Let me know in the comments below how you liked it or loved it. I need chopsticks with this.